In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cart to a funnel page. If you want to let visitors purchase directly from your funnel, adding an order form is the key step that makes that possible. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what to check before publishing, so your checkout experience looks clean and works the way you expect. Start by going to Sites, then Funnels, and open the funnel page where you want the cart to appear. Make sure you're editing the correct page in the funnel, especially if your funnel has multiple steps like a landing page, checkout page, and thank you page. Choosing the right location from the start helps avoid confusion later and keeps your customer journey organized. Once you're inside the page editor, click the plus button to add a new element. From the available elements, choose the order form element. This is the part that creates the checkout area where customers can enter their information and complete a purchase. After adding it, place it in the section of the page where it fits best visually and makes sense in the flow of the page. Usually, this works best in a clear, easy-to-find area, so visitors can move smoothly from reading your offer to taking action. Next, open the element settings and select order options to choose your products. This is where you connect the order form to the items you want to sell in that funnel. Be careful to select the correct products and review the details so the checkout matches your offer. This step is especially important because the order form can only sell what you assign here. If you want to increase the value of each order, you can optionally enable one-click upsells in the funnel steps. This allows you to present an additional offer after the initial purchase without forcing the customer to re-enter their payment details. It's a simple way to improve conversions and raise average order value, but only if it fits naturally with the main offer in your funnel. When everything is set up, save the page and preview it. This final check helps you confirm that the checkout form displays correctly and that the page looks good from the visitor's perspective. Pay attention to layout, spacing, and whether the order form appears exactly where you intended. Taking a moment to preview before going live can help you catch small issues early and create a smoother buying experience for your customers.